is we had to make a pop-up that had a nice big surface area for the grass to grow over. And that's what we ended up doing. So we made a pop-up because there was nothing available. And we were frankensteining a pop-up together out of all these different materials. And it was so uneconomical because it was so labor intense that we went ahead and had a mold made, and we're making a pop-up. So I just wanted to show everybody this pop-up. We made it so that you can clean it out. And what I mean is there has never been a pop-up where you can stick your hand down in it. You know, these smaller pop-ups, you can't get your hand in that. And there's always leaves and branches that end up right here. No big deal. You just need a way in. So that was key. We wanted to make something that you can stick your hand down in. And again, nobody has ever done this. There's always a bar across here to hold the lid on. If you look closely at different makes, that's what you're going to see. Or it's just a very choked down, something that you're not going to get your hand in. But this is super easy to maintain, super easy for the homeowner to go in, just grab some pine cones out. When you get a good hard rain, a couple inches, you know, downpour, you know, we have a few of those a year. I mean, it just blows everything right out of the line, and this thing just looks amazing. But now the grass can grow over this plate, and it doesn't grow over the discharge part of the pop-up. I just want everybody to be aware that we have a new product on the market. I think you guys are going to love it. It's indestructible. You can't break it. We drove over it with everything you can even think of. And the material is HDPE 100% virgin material, rated to last 200 to 500 years. You can't beat it. Now this product, when you take the top off, you can put a drain plug in, because a lot of guys run sump lines like this, and we wanted to make sure that we had something that the grass wouldn't grow over. We even take in water in yards. We'll put a T-fitting on this, and this way the grass won't grow over that 4-inch inlet. It'll be an inlet at that time. We'll use this for venting. This is a really fantastic product for the contractor to keep in his tool trailer or his work truck, because it does so much, and you can use it in so many areas. All right, everybody. Appreciate your time, and until that next video.